This is my daily driver. It gets me to and from work every day and everywhere I need to go when it's snowing out. I call it the in front. I'll let you figure out what that means. Today I want to give it some upgrades. I say upgrades and I mean just freshen up the front a little bit. These headlights, not the worst I've ever seen, but they're a little crummy. I want to replace those with some nice freshies, and let's get some LED bulbs in there so I can see at night with this tinted windshield. So let's pull this thing inside the shop and let's pull that bumper off and get started. First step is popping the hood. Alright, so these are the headlights under some light. You can just see how foggy they are. You can barely see the reflector in there. And then we go to our freshies here. Those are going to look much better. The LEDs I have are actually going to be able to penetrate through this lens. So let's get started. I'm going to pull off the grill and the bumper, and then I can get to the back of these headlights. That never sounds good. Okay, so in theory, it should all pop off now. I gotta unplug the fog lights, but we'll figure that out as we go. So from here with the bumper off, it's just a matter of getting all these bolts out along here. There's a clip right there, and then also supposed to be one there, but it's missing. So just a bunch of bolts, and that thing's coming off. We'll do it to both sides. Okay, got one bracket off. Alright, the headlight's free now, but I gotta get this connector undone, which in my experience can be a bit of a pain. Yeah, that one wasn't so bad actually. So it's got me a little worried. But here we go. Crusty headlights off. So I'm feeling the need to explain myself a little bit as to why I'm replacing these headlights and not cleaning the junkyard ones up. Well, here's why. This is the back of our headlight projector here. So this is our main bulb. You'll notice this metal clip here, that's what it's supposed to look like. Somebody retrofitted a paper clip on the back of this one, and it ended up burning the housing. So you can see that, and it's melted a little bit, so now that bulb doesn't seat all the way and it's pointing towards the ground. So both the new headlights will have clips like this, and I'm sure I could have bought a new one, but that housing's melted, and I just, you know what, it's just easier to get these new headlights. So you can see the clip in there. It's actually what it's supposed to look like. If we pull out this bulb, it's giving me troubles right now. There we go. That is an H7 bulb. This is what factory Subarus come with. That's what you can expect. I'm replacing it with an LED. See that focus? Beautiful little LED like that. So that's gonna brighten things up, and I'm gonna be able to see. Close our clip over it. Maybe. There we go. Plug it in, and bam, we're done. Let's turn this very sad, decrepit Outback back into its former glory. Some fresh headlights. Alright, let's get this grill in. He's too much, a little tired. Alright, I'm gonna go run this thing through the wash before I do my final reveal, but this is gonna be the first time pulling it outside when it's dark, and I want to get my reaction to that. Let's see how bright these things are. I'm genuinely so excited. Let's get to some actual like darkness. Well, there's light everywhere back here, but I had those LED bulbs in the old headlights, but with the lenses being so bad, it didn't make a whole lot of a difference. Unfortunately, every parking lot around here is lit. And I don't mean that as in like a party, I just mean that as in lights. That's my dad joke of the day. Okay, well they're bright. I'm gonna wash this car, do the little like final reveal, and then I'm just gonna drive home when it's dark, and I'll record them. Alright, let's see how good it looks. Man, is that an improvement. They're just so clean. That was absolutely worth it. Go turn on those LED bulbs we put in there. Oh yeah. Might have to get some LED fog lights, but in yellow. Man, those look great. Stoked with that. I'm gonna pull it outside so we can actually see it in the dark, but that looks great. So I've realized that most of the roads on my drive home actually have street lights. So not a great test for these new headlights. So I pulled off in the darkest spot I could find near me. What I can say though is that I'm really stoked with how bright these lights are. Got my hazards on, trying not to get hit here, but they are so bright, and I'm incredibly happy about it. They're just so crystal clear. I hope they stay this way for a while. Not that this was a ton of work, but I just don't have to do it again. I just don't think I can end this video in any other way. Bye. Thanks for watching.